Hi boys and girls, today we are reading chapter 3 of unit 2, and this chapter is called Vertebrae or Invertebrate. Rattenborough here again. You have learned that scientists who study the animal kingdom classify animals into different groups based on different characteristics. Some characteristics scientists study are what makes up the animal's skin, such as hair or scales, whether animals give birth to live babies or lay eggs, whether mothers feed their babies milk from their own bodies, whether animals are warm-blooded or cold-blooded. Here we have an illustration just to show exactly what scientists are using to classify these animals. Up top we have either scales or hair and so on. Another key characteristic that scientists study is whether animals have a backbone. Animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. Humans are vertebrates. Place your hand on the back of your neck until you feel a bump. Now rub your hand up and down the middle of your back. Do you feel bumpy bones that run in a row down your back from your neck down to your waist? That's your backbone. Another name for a backbone is a spine. The spine or backbone wraps around and protects an important part of your body called the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves. Messages travel up and down your spinal cord from your brain to other parts of your body. This is the way that your brain sends signals telling the other parts of your body what to do. Here's an illustration showing exactly where you just felt from the base of your neck all the way down to your waist. All those bumpy little feelings that you had, that is your spine or your backbone. And remember, since we have a backbone, we are called vertebrates. Many other animals are also vertebrates. All mammals, reptiles, fish, and birds have a backbone, so they are all vertebrates. They have some type of spinal cord too. Animals with a backbone come in all different shapes and sizes. Apes, rhinos, horses, rabbits, bats, and yes, rats and humans too are all mammals and vertebrates. Lizards, turtles, snakes, and crocodiles are reptiles and vertebrates. Huge sharks and tiny goldfish are also vertebrates. Small hummingbirds and large eagles are vertebrates too. Here is an illustration of just some of the animals all on the earth that are vertebrates because they have a backbone. But there are many more animals that do not have a backbone. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. Insects are the largest group in the animal kingdom. Insects are also the largest group of invertebrates. Insects include flies, wasps, beetles, cockroaches, ladybugs, and butterflies. Other kinds of invertebrates include earthworms and spiders. Here's an illustration showing just some of the animals that do not have a backbone, meaning that they are invertebrates. Some interesting invertebrates live in the sea. Lobsters, shrimp, and crab do not have a backbone. The giant octopus is an invertebrate as well. Have you ever seen a jellyfish or a starfish? They are also invertebrates. So these animals do not have a backbone or spinal cord. Here is an illustration of some invertebrates that you might find in the sea.